This week, we heard that the September Apple event, where the company is supposed to show off the iPhone 15 series, could be on September 13th. At least, that's what a lot of the signs said, and it looks like they may have been wrong. The event may end up happening on September 12th instead. Mark Gurman tweeted this information, saying that more and more signs are pointing to September 12th. But he says, things could still change in theory, which means that this isn't a 100% sure thing. In fact, we won't know for sure until Apple sends out tickets to the event, which might not happen for a few more weeks. More and more signs point to September 12th as the date of the iPhone 15 event, but things could still change in theory. In his Power on email earlier this week, Gurman said that the event is most likely to happen on September 12th or 13. Sources from a carrier who spoke to 9to5Mac said that September 13th would be the date, and they asked employees not to take time off because of a major smartphone event. In either case, Apple is expected to stick to its usual schedule for pre-orders and release dates. This means that pre-orders are likely to start on September 15th, which is a Friday. The release date is set for September 22nd. The date of September 22nd has been confirmed by several sources, including Gurman, who thinks Apple will release the iPhone 15 just in time for its first sales to be counted as part of its fourth fiscal quarter. At the September Apple event, the iPhone 15 line is expected to be the big news. We expect to see the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. But there are rumors that the Apple Watch Series 9, the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and the iPad Mini 7 could also come out at the same time. The event should also happen around the same time that iOS 17, which just got its 5th developer test, iPadOS 17, tvOS 17, and watchOS 10 are released officially. September is going to be a very busy month for Apple, that much is clear. But then, that almost always happens. What do you hope to hear most about at the event? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.